guys, it's Aidette. Today we are going to get my lips dissolved. I never thought I was gonna do this. Like, I would have never in a million years thought I was going to dissolve my lips. I thought that only happened to a few people, but to be honest, I think I got too much filler at once. I mean, not at once, but I got too much filler. Like, I had filler and then I like got it refilled and they were still like really good. I just think like it went over. So today I have very light makeup. Like, I don't even have bronzer on. It's just like blush, mascara, and I put some blush right here too. Don't have any lips because no point, they take it off and then you guys will see the process. But I'm very excited. I'm gonna go to this spa today. They're just gonna dissolve this part right here. I'm just gonna show you guys up real quick so you guys can see how up here it's kind of like migrating and there's just some spots that could be better. Like, it should be in the pink line of my lips, but it's not. Pretty much the filler is going out of where it's supposed to be, and I don't want that. So I want to dissolve my lips, and then I'm actually going to go like later on to get them refilled, so like properly, because right now I'm just trying to get rid of all of this stuff that's not supposed to be there. But I'm supposed to be waiting for like a few days. The nurse will tell me, but I'm supposed to be waiting a few days until I can see like full results. But I'm in traffic right now. I came to my parents' house because I didn't want to be in too much of traffic, but then like I woke up late and then Billy's song came out and it was a lot of stuff. I still had to get ready because I wanted to look a little presentable for them at least. I washed my hair yesterday and you guys know my hair is like wavy and it's crazy. So when I have crazy hair and I have to get somewhere, why is it so loud right now? I feel like one of my doors isn't closed. I always slick my hair back like this when I have no other option. I will catch you guys when I'm there. Alright guys, I am here. Look how cute my shirt is. I will be linking the designer to this top right here. She made it specifically for me and she is so cute. So go check her out. Tell her I sent you. Guys, I just finished. The team was super nice, super nice. I just got my lips dissolved, as you guys can see. I'll show you guys in the car where it's better lighting, but they got me balloons, the freaking cutest. So I actually had to put music all over when they were doing my lips because I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Not me getting attacked by the balloon. Ugh. Alright guys, now it's time to get into the car. Ugh, her song was amazing. So let me just turn my car on. Oh my gosh, did it dissolve my lips already? So the dissolver is still in my lips. So right here it just kind of like looks a little bit bubbled, but it's gonna go down in like a few days. It should be pretty more of a significant difference, but here's the front for right now. And the side. Yeah, that's what it looks like now. They took off my makeup, so see right here is like where the filler got injected. I mean the dissolver got injected. But right here you can already see like a difference. Guys, it worked! Ah! It's not fully like to what it's supposed to be right now, but it worked. I'll give you guys a little update later on. I'm gonna go enjoy my car ride home and blast Billy the whole time. That's it on the lips, guys. I actually love them. I look super oily right now because I just got out the shower and I moisturized the fudge out of my face. I have a photo shoot tomorrow, so that's what they look like from the side. They're actually so cutesy, aren't they? They're just like cute. Of course, my whole entire filler wasn't dissolved. Like it was just like the top part where it was kind of migrating, and now it looks nice. It looks nice. I actually made an appointment to get my lips redone 13th of May. I'm very excited. I'm gonna go to a new place, so I can't wait to see how they come out. Day 2, guys. Don't judge me. I literally just woke up. I'm getting ready for my shoot right now, but these are my lips. They look so cute. I actually really like them. Like, they look so cute. They look like, they almost look like the size of Billy's. I feel like Billy's lips are just a tiny bit bigger than this, but so cute. Okay, I'm gonna go get ready and then I'll show you guys the after. I'll show you guys what they look like filled in. All right guys, this is actually after my shoot. My lip liner's kind of like smudged off a little bit, but this is what they look like when they're filled in. Busted up filled in. I've been shooting for quite some time. Here on this side. Honestly, I feel like they look better because this just needed to be gone because it was just like migrating really bad, and I do not want to be a duck lip victim. So yeah, but so far second day looking real good. I'm so excited. What's up guys, last day. This is day 3 update of my lips, and this is what it looks like currently looking at the road. So from the side and the front, I think they're fully dissolved. I look a little crazy right now just because I was in a complete rush to get to my parents' house. I am currently going because my cousins surprised us, and you guys know that they all live in the Bay. Cindy's the only one that lives out here with me in LA, and so everyone just came down and surprised us at my mom's house. So I was like, okay, so now I'm going. Stay tuned for all the crazy videos that we do on my vlog channel because you guys already know. You guys know, if you guys have been here since the beginning, you guys know my family from the Bay, my mom's side, crazy. See you guys in my next video.